2011 BMW M3. Really nice car, lowered, got some nice set of wheels on it. And when we got done on it for you guys, got factory converters there and there. Then it's got an aftermarket X pipe system and 2 resonators right there and right there. They look like Vibrants kind of style. And then he brought his own bolt-on kit by MEISTERSCHAFT. I can never say the word. MEISTERSCHAFT system. Is there any part number somewhere? No. Yeah, there's no part. Anyways, it's a MEISTERSCHAFT system. As you guys can see right there. Always box issues. Always have issues with the boxes. Anyways, but because he had this aftermarket kit on it done before, we weren't able to bolt it on, so we welded it on for him. As you guys can see right there. Right there, it's a full stainless steel system. There it is, right there. Right there. And it also comes with valves that he's gonna get installed somewhere else because they're gonna run the electric to them. As you guys can see. So we have the valves open. If you can see them inside of there. They're open at this moment. So it'll be full straight pipe right now. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. This is the original exhaust system that was on it. So basically he just lost about 100 pounds right there and gained more horsepower out of it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. We got us a sexy 2008 BMW M3 V8 when the M3s were nice, with the nice rare V8 motor. So it's got a nice carbon fiber lip. It's got factory converters there and there. Factory secondary converters. Then he has some glass packs, some kind of system. We don't know. Mid resonators. Then it's 2.5-inch pipe, and he had 2 mufflers. I'll show them to you guys in a second before, but they droned real bad. So we took them off and put them some Vibrant quiet flow mufflers there, or ultra quiets they call them, Vibrants there and there. And then we also put them some quad carbon fiber tips to complete the look of the carbon fiber tail and tips there and there. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off. They were really bad with drone. That's what drove him nuts. So he's like, I got to take this off. He couldn't take the sound no more, which I don't blame him. If you guys would have heard them before, they droned really bad. So we put the ultra quiets on them for him. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. There'll be a link in the description for the ultra quiets. They're 2.5 in, 2.5 out, and 2.5 in, 4-inch out carbon fiber tips, or 3.5-inch out. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Oh, that's nice. It's not too much. Nice. I like it. There we go. Yeah, that sounds good. Your sound decibels again? Almost 120. That's clean though. You see how clean the sound is? No rasp, nothing. If you wanted louder, we can put a set or 2 out. They put the aftermarket set around. If you want it louder, we can do that. Drive it for a couple of weeks, see how you like it.
Is that closed?
They're open.
They're open.
Yeah, it's not that I wouldn't leave it like that.
Yeah, I would too. Yeah.
Go ahead and back it out. That's nice. I like it.
18s is the way to go, man.
Yeah.
Bigger than that.
No. You'll have problems out of it if you do. Sounds like a what do you guys think? I think it sounds good. I like it. Let you guys hear it? Vibrant ultra quiet. Much better. Huh? Oh, 2011. Shoot, it's a 2011, guys. Sorry. Go ahead. Perfect. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 101. Again. Oh, that's perfect, bro. That's clean. Go ahead and back it out. Yeah. If you were in the 20s again, stick them out, you know, racing or whatever. But you want a car like this, you want it clean. Yeah. It's not even turbo. Again? Oh yeah, that's perfect. You're gonna love driving this thing every day now. No more drone. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. BMW M3. Oh, beautiful. Huh?